explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with the chapter number 17 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is Unseen Passages, right? So, let's talk about the unseen passages over here. What are unseen passages? First of all, let me tell you. So, these passages are basically the stories or the part of stories जो कि हमें यहाँ पर passage के form में दी जाती है, right? And after these passages are given, we have to actually read them, right? And after reading, we actually have some questions that are from the passage itself, and we need to answer these questions, right? So basically, these passages, these comprehensions are for testing our reading skills, correct? So let's see. So here we have comprehension. तो बात की जाए comprehensions की. So it is comprehension of an unseen passage trains students to grasp the meaning of the passage. तो comprehension जो है unseen passage वो बच्चों को ट्रेन करता है, स्टूडेंट्स को ट्रेन करता है ताकि वो उस passage का meaning निकाल पाए. It tests the understanding of the students and their ability to express the substance of the passage in their own words. तो ये actually test करता है understanding बच्चों की, right? कि how are you able to understand or like you are able to read the comprehension or not, you are able to express your views or not, right? So totally this comprehension is a mixture of knowledge, right? We can say कि हमें इसमें reading का भी idea लगता है. We get to test our readings, right? We can test our ability कि कभी कभी answers जो होते हैं वो हमें reading के basis पर खुद frame करने होते हैं. So we can say our ability, we can test our ability कि हम उन answers को कैसे frame कर सकते हैं या फिर कर पाते हैं या फिर नहीं, right? So, now let's begin with this passage, right? This is actually a solved passage. So, we'll read this and find the answers of these questions that are given. So, let's begin. In every country, people imagine that they are the best and the cleverest, and the others are not so good as they are, right? So, we are simply reading this passage. Let's continue. The English think that they and their country are the best, and many Indians imagine that India, in many ways, is the greatest country in the world. It is wrong to think along these lines. There is no person who does not have come good and some bad qualities. We must take good thing wherever we find it and try to remove the bad, whatever it may be. We are, of course, most concerned about our country, India. Most of our people are poor and unhappy. They have no joy in their eyes. We have to see what is good in our customs and try to keep them, and whatever is bad, we have to throw away. If we find anything good in the other countries, we should certainly take it, right? So, this was the passage जो हमने पढ़ा. Now, let's just come to the next part, which is read the above passage carefully and answer the questions. Because this passage is a solved one, we have already the answers given of them over here. So let's first of all read the questions and then have a look on the answers of them. So the question is, What does everybody think about his country? So, everybody thinks that his country is the best and the greatest in the world, right? Next, what type of qualities does each of us have? So, each of us has both good as well as bad qualities, right? Next, what should we do whenever we find something bad? So, whenever we find something bad, we should try to remove it, right? Next, our attitude towards the, sorry, what should be our attitude towards the other countries? So, our attitude towards other countries should be positive. If we find anything good in other countries, we should certainly accept to put into practice. Next, find out the word in the passage which means reject. So, throw away means reject, right? So, you saw how easily we have read the questions and we all have already read the answers also in the passage only, right? So, as you can see, we have a lot more passages for you right over here in the exercise form so that you can practice for your reading skills and improve them, right? So, mark this as your homework and you're going to solve them by yourself, right? So, that was all from my side. I hope you all are doing great with your studies, and this video is also going to help you further. So, thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.